Today we're making Lotus Biscoff Cake. Are you looking for an easy steps Lotus Biscoff Cake recipe? So here is the easy and quick recipe. Grind 1 pack of Biscoff cookies. Take a large bowl, and add the grinded Biscoff cookies in it. Add 220 megaliters of milk in it. Mix these ingredients with the help of a whisk. Mix it until it makes a smooth paste. Pour the prepared batter evenly into prepared pan. Bake on 335 Fahrenheit in oven for approximately 40 minutes. Let it cool completely. Take it out of the dish carefully, place on a platter, melt some miscoff spread in the microwave. Then pour this smooth paste on the top of the cake. Garnish it with crushed Biscoff cookies. Now the delicious Biscoff cake is ready to eat. Hope you liked our video. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy!